I like how the arrow blocks out part of the logo. Can't even read the whole thing. Get the glare of the lights out of there. Interesting. Oh, look. This was originally something gated. Oh, what the heck? Look at those lanterns. It was an Emun before this. Do they work? Oh, that's interesting though. I actually think that this panel was just a slap on that it's original from whatever the 90s logic was. Because I think this was, that those older fixtures look like they're from the 90s. I like this panel. It's like a posh version of the normal one I've seen. Because this version has the lighting along the side, along the edges.